How to log in into Accenture Workday account online. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch a web browser on your device and then click on the search bar and type in Accenture Workday account. Or simply you can type in login and press enter on your keyboard. Then different website will appear on this result section. You simply need to click on the official website. So let's click on the first link. You need to wait until the login section appears or official interface opens. And now you will land on the section. Now from top right you can easily choose your country and then click on whether access application India or access existing application. So let's click on existing application. Or else you can easily click on Access Application from top right, then you will navigate to this section. You can now click on Sign In button at bottom left corner of your screen. Now you will reach on the sign in section where you can easily enter your personal email address you use during your recruiting process and enter the password. In case you forget password, you can click on Forget Password link to generate a new password to access your dashboard and click Sign In button. And that's how you can successfully sign in or log in into Accenture Workday account online. That's it. I hope this guide worked and thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.